Periods of warm and cool weather were the trend in April, with weeks 1 and 4 averaging above normal and weeks 2 and 3 averaging below. Preliminary data indicate a statewide average temperature of 54.5 degrees Fahrenheit, or 1.1 degrees below the baseline period mean. 3 out of the past 4 Aprils have been cooler than average, and it was the second below average month for the year of 2021. An unusually cold weather event on the 21st and 22nd of the month brought sub-freezing temperatures to the state, including record low temperatures. Freeze damage was reported to vegetation in vulnerable growth stages, including some early planted corn in southeastern Missouri, as well as some fruit crops, ornamentals, and annuals. Preliminary data for April indicates above average precipitation with an annual statewide total of 4.67 inches, or 0.67 inches above the baseline period mean. Mostly wet conditions have impacted Missouri for the year, with 3 out of the 4 past months reporting above average precipitation. Regionally, heavier April precipitations were reported across central, northeast, and far southern Missouri, where 4 to 6 inches were common. Lighter amounts, ranging from 1.5 to 3 inches, were typically across far north central and northwestern Missouri, according to radar estimates. Similar lighter totals were reported in a handful of southwestern border counties, namely Jasper, Barton, and Vernon counties. An unusual late spring snow event impacted Missouri on April 20th through the 21st. Accumulations were generally 1 to 5 inches statewide, occurring mostly on elevated and grassy surfaces. A surreal landscape transpired during the day of April 20th, with snow accumulating on flowers, leaves, and verdant lawns. According to the Missouri Agriculture Statistics Service, for the week ending in April 25th, corn planting was 23% complete, 21 percentage points behind the 5-year average. Stock water supplies were reported mostly adequate at 94%, with 81% of the hay supplies and other roughages adequate and 6% surplus. The majority of pastures, 67%, were in good condition and 27% in fair condition. Topsoil moisture supplies were mostly adequate to surplus statewide. Subsoil moisture supplies were mostly adequate to surplus as well. As of April 27, 2021, the U.S. Drought Monitor map indicated no drought in Missouri. However, a tiny sliver of abnormally dry conditions were indicated in far northern Missouri, on the Iowa border in northern Putnam and Schuyler counties. If you are interested in more content like this, or interested in Missouri climate in general, feel free to subscribe or follow us on our Twitter or Facebook pages. Thank you for watching.